think entirely the position of the camera is, I think it's a bit too many long shots. So some of them should be a bit closer shot. I think it's here. A closer shot is used. Maybe I think you can use closer shot here to emphasize their facial expression, the wife's facial expression and the main character's facial expression. So could be this much large, so readers can understand their feeling more. Of course, facial expression is drawn here and here, but it should be emphasized because it's important. So close up is better here. It might be better to clarify that where this rabbit appeared. Maybe, I guess, in front of the car. So in that case, you can draw like this because of this rabbit, the car crashes. So it is important to clarify where this rabbit appeared. Maybe you can draw this like this, and since the size is smaller than this, you can emphasize that by adding some lines like this. So we can clearly understand that where the rabbit appeared, and because of this one, the car crashed. So in that case, we are not sure where it appeared. So this is much more clear, easy to understand the flow of the panel.
If you've wanted to make manga for years, but still don't have a finished one-shot, your next step is to apply for a free one-on-one manga roadmap call. We'll look at your idea or pages and map out a clear 60 to 90 day plan to finish a 16 to 24 page contest-ready one-shot. We only open a few spots each week, so if you want one, click the link in the description or go to learntodrawmanga.com, apply, and pick a time for your call.